I tried dropshipping for 7 days using TikTok, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I found a winning product, my website, the videos I made for the product, and my full profit on the store within the last 7 days. If you're new to dropshipping, by the end of this video you are gonna know exactly what you need to do to start getting sales. Okay, so the first step is finding a winning product to sell. The way I found my product was by scrolling through AutoDS. I was basically just scrolling through this marketplace and this TikTok ad spy when I came across these heat massage cups. They fit all the basic criteria of a winning product. It is problem solving, and if you for example have neck pain or back pain, then these help you with reducing that pain, and since there's a big gym community, I can see a lot of people buy this. And I'm telling you guys, this marketplace on AutoDS is no joke. I found so many good products on here already. You can basically just sign up to AutoDS and then you'll get all of these products suggested to you, and you'll also see what good performing TikTok ads look like. And the best part is they also help you to fulfill your orders, so you don't have to do it manually and spend hours of time just typing in those shipping infos in some kind of suppliers. They also have some other good features that I don't use as much, but for example you can also get a store built with AI on here with just some simple clicks. So if I were you, I would definitely check this out, and I will leave you guys a link in the description, and if you join through that link you'll get a 30-day free trial so you can try everything out. Now for my product I was able to source it for around $10 to $20, and I was able to sell it for $40 plus. Now another reason I really like this product is because I searched it up on TikTok and I saw a lot of these comments asking where can I buy it, this is super cool, and this is always a really great sign because it means it's just high in demand. Now after that I needed a store, and to sell a $40 plus item on TikTok your store better be really good. So that's why I decided to go with a store from Start Stores. They build crazy stores that actually convert, and I've already gotten some stores from them that actually got me a lot of sales. And other people have too. I mean, if you just look at this, 10k in a month, easy. Even 30k a month is no problem for these stores. Now since I'm only running one product, I chose this one product store option. Of course if you're trying to launch multiple products it makes sense to take the other option, but I only need one product. I got it like 2 days afterwards and it was looking fabulous. So if you want to get a store from Start Stores too, you can use my discount code Carl10 and you'll get 10% off. Now even though the store was already looking really good, I did some slight changes and then also added my product reviews app that I always add to have some social credit on my websites. And then the store was done. It was a pretty nice looking store, and if you ask me, something like this just always converts. So now that I had a good product and a good store, it was time for me to create some banger ad creatives. Now some people like to order the product to their house for that part and then film some clips with the product themselves, but what I found to work just as good is going on TikTok and then basically downloading all the clips of your product that you can find and then going into CapCut and editing them together to make them even better and make them your own creations. As I said, I never had a problem with that, but I guess this is something you have to try out for yourself, what works better for yourself. Now after I edited 3 ad creatives for my product, I went on to TikTok ads and created a new campaign. For TikTok ads, I normally always use campaign types that have been working for other people. So this time I chose an ABO campaign, since I've seen a lot of people blow up their stores with this campaign type. Now in an ABO campaign, you basically just leave everything turned off on the first page and then go immediately to the second page. After that, you connect your TikTok pixel to your Shopify stores so they can gather information, and it's pretty simple. You basically just have to install this app on your Shopify store. Then what I always do is just leave it completely broad so the algorithm can do all the targeting for me. Now for the country, I would always go with the US or the UK. These countries have been working best for me, and after that you can choose your ads budget. I put my budget to around $40 because that just means that if we get one sale, we are kind of breaking even for that day. Then on the third page, I basically just uploaded my ad creatives and wrote some nice call to actions that would make people click. For those call to actions, you can always just use ChatGPT. Then the ads went live the next morning, and since I didn't really have to work on my store or anything, I just went about my day and then got one sale for $45 that day. So slightly unprofitable day, but not too bad. Now the next day we got a total of 2 sales, which means we were mad profitable that day. So I decided to bump up the ad spend for the remaining day to $70 a day. And on day 3 we got our first sale, our second sale, and nothing. Yeah, it's weird with TikTok ads because sometimes you have a really profitable day and then the next day out of nowhere is just break even again, or even unprofitable. But it is what it is. I mean, we're just in a testing phase, so I would think that if I would run this product for longer, I would 100% get it to be break even or profitable after some time. But now let's have a look at the numbers. So in total we made 5 sales, which means we made $250. Now subtracting the $150 ad spend and then also the $50 product cost, we made $50 from this store. I think this shows you that dropshipping is still a good business model, and if you want to start, you should definitely check out AutoDS and Start Stores. And subscribe for more content. See ya!